In this video I will show you how to use Slicer feature in Excel. Slicer function is used to filter data, based on column values. I have this data, and I can filter my data based on item or rating. I got 5 items and I can look for number of customers for every item using my slicer. I want to see how many customers bought burger. I got 5 of 20 records for burger. For pie, I have 3. Pizza got 5 customers. Similarly for the sandwich and wrap I can see number of customers. I can also filter, based on customer reviews. I want to see how many give me 5 ratings, so I simply click 5. And it shows 8 records. I can also check for star ratings. Similarly 3-star ratings. If I want to see both 4-star and 5-star ratings at a time, click 4, then hold Ctrl and click 5, it will show both 4 and 5-star ratings. Click Cross to close filters. Now let's see how to create these slicers. I have this data. We must convert data to table first. Press Ctrl T. Create table. Select Style. Click this option Insert Slicer. I want to create slicer for item and rating. Click Item. And click Rating. Click OK. You can drag them anywhere. And format the visual based on your preference. Now from here you can filter out your data. You can choose multiple options also. Thanks for watching.